It's transformational. It moves Pacgold from being purely an explorer and being one-dimensional in the sense that we've got two great assets up there in northern Queensland, but it gives us the opportunity to actually create some cash flow in the short term with minimum of permitting required, a high-quality asset, and picking up a mine that's actually produced a lot of free cash flow in the past. So it's taking that next step forward. It's weaning us off, I guess, to a certain point, the necessity to be constantly raising money and being at the mercy of the equity markets, and it gives us that next project that I think is a quality project. We're looking at a phased approach to restarting the White Dam mine. Initially, we will start with a recrush of the existing pad, or the top portion of the pad, and that will give us basically 12 months ahead of us. So the next 12 months will be recrushing and leaching that material. In the meantime, we're doing a small refurbishment of the plant, and we're also investing extensive amounts of capital into updating and converting the existing inferred resources on the property into indicated resources. Post that, we will be probably about within 6 months, we'll be running a new mine designs, new optimizations, obviously mine designs, cash flow models, and then putting in our permits that are required for the expanded footprint of the project, and also getting a conversion of existing MPL into an ML for our White Dam North mine, so that we can actually start to produce from there as well. I think the opportunity is fairly obvious. It's the fact that you can get production almost immediately from an existing permitted asset on granted mine licenses in the middle of South Australia. It's an asset that has huge upside potential from an exploration standpoint. It's got you can capitalise on a $6,000 an ounce copper price, to say that again, and really put yourself in very good standing when it comes to cash flow and a balance sheet in a very short period of time. So that is the main opportunity. It's instantaneous cash flow. It gives us that ability to produce our own cash flow, and then we can look at other opportunities in the area. There are already opportunities landing on our desk at the moment, which is fantastic. There's a massive area in South Australia, and we're the only potential plant site that can actually treat material within a 200-kilometre radius where we are. So it's besides the Portia mine to the north of us, and so it's a really good opportunity. It gives us the possibility now to expand, to look for new projects, and the aim is really to make sure that we can put together an asset that has 8 to 10 years of mine life ahead of it, producing between 20 and 25,000 ounces of gold. And I think there's more than that scope available in the vicinity and also on the assets themselves.